Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 7th Mathematics, and today in the lesson Operations on Rational Numbers we will see how many different numbers are there in between two rational numbers. Is it one, two or many? So all these answers we will get in this section. In the previous session, we have learnt about properties of division of rational numbers, and today in this session we are going to see what are the different rational numbers are there in between the two rational numbers. Let's find out the rationals between the two rational numbers. Here we will take the two numbers as 1/4 and 3/4. For getting one rational number between 1/4 and 3/4, we first add the two given rational numbers and then divide the sum by 2. That is, first we add the two numbers. So, 1 plus 3/4, that gives you 4/4, and then we divide the sum by 2. That means we are multiplying it by 1/2. So the final answer is 1/2, which is the rational number lying between 1/4 and 3/4. So if x and y are the two rational numbers, then x plus y, add that two numbers and then divide by 2 is the rational number between x and y. Now here we will see three rational numbers between 1/2 and -1/2. So first we will find out the first number. So what is the first number? We first add that these two numbers and then divide it by 2. Dividing by 2 means multiplying 1/2, nothing but the same. So here add 1/2 plus -1/2, and as these are the two opposite numbers with the sign, therefore the answer is 0. So 1/2 into 0 means 0, and therefore the one number lies between these two numbers is 0. This is the first number. Now we have to find the second number, and for finding out the second number we will take 1/2, and just now we obtained the 0. Now we will see 1/2 and 0, the number in between these two numbers. So again we add these two numbers, 1/2 plus 0. 1/2 plus 0 means 1/2, and then divide by 2 means again multiply by 1/2. So the answer is 1/4. Now this is the second number. Now we will find out the third number, and for the third number we will take the first number and the second number, that is -1/2. So -1/2 plus 0 equals to -1/2. Then multiply this by 1/2. So that gives you -1/4. So in the all three steps we got the three different numbers, and that lies in between the two numbers which are given here, and hence 0, 1/4 and -4 are the three rational numbers lying between 1/2 and -1/2. So in the previous slides we have calculated three numbers in between the two given numbers, and like this there are infinitely many rational numbers in between any two rational numbers. Not only one, not two, not three, but infinitely many rational numbers are there in between any two rational numbers. Dear students, today we have learned how to find the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers, and I hope you might have clear idea and better understanding of finding the numbers in between the two rational numbers. Now this is an assignment for you so that you will check your understanding of the topic, and I hope you try it honestly. Thank you. Have a nice day.